You can free the nipple without having to worry about seeing the nipple. You get what I'm saying? Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Mylee Rainelle. Thank you so much for watching. So today's video is something I'm so excited about. I don't know about you, but I've been going crazy in the house with this quarantine and I've been shopping like crazy. So I've gotten a lot of items from Zara. I still have some things coming in, but as you can see, my rack is kind of full. So I did get a lot of what I did order and I am going to be trying them on for you guys. So hopefully they fit well and I can wear them out because we're going into phase 2 of quarantine unlockdown, I guess we can call it, because we're now allowed to go outside. Still be safe, but we can see our friends finally. So let's get into it. Let me stop chatting and running my mouth. First item that I'm going to show you from my haul is going to be this white belted blazer. It was $69.99. I got this in a size small and I bought this with the intention of wearing it in summer. You know, sometimes at night it cools down and you still want to look really cute and chic. I feel like a white blazer does that. I typically love a nice structured blazer, but the material of this is a little bit less on the structured sides and a little bit more form-fitting, and because of that I would have wanted to get it in an extra small because I felt like it would have probably like hugged my arms a little bit tighter and it would have kind of shaped my body a little bit better. As you can see, it kind of fit me a little bit too loose for my liking, so I'm actually gonna return this and get it in a smaller size if it's available still. If not, I'll look for a similar piece to add to my summer collection, but I definitely feel like a white blazer is something that is needed for your summer wardrobe. And to wear with that, I would do some shorts, or I might just, depending, this fit me kind of long, so I could get away with wearing it like a shirt dress almost, probably with some biker shorts or like some really short denim just to have pants on with a nice bodysuit. So I had a few options in terms of bodysuits that I bought, but a good black and white chic look. So as you can see, I decided to pair this white blazer with that black bodysuit. It is super stretchy in terms of material, and that's what I love about it. It's definitely a piece that you can wear with blazers. You can wear this with a pair of jeans, with shorts. It's just a really nice everyday piece, and it gives you a little bit of cleavage. And the other thing about it that I really love, the sides don't come down. Like, you know, sometimes you buy a bodysuit and it has a lot of side boobs, so you can't wear a bra with it. This particular one is really great in terms of being able to wear a bra under. So for someone like me who loves to wear a nice push-up bra, as you can see, we'll be able to wear a bra with this and it'll give me that kind of like sexy look that I like to go for. So the other thing that I bought to wear with this outfit was a pair of denim shorts. I got these shorts. They're supposed to be high-waisted in a size 10. I wasn't sure what my size would be because sometimes I am a size 6, sometimes I'm a size 8, or because of all the weight that I did gain, I thought I would have been a size 10, but I was completely off with that. And I'm sure a lot of you can relate. You don't know what your size is these days. So this was way too big for me. In terms of the fit, or it was long enough. It's not a short, which is the reason why I was really attracted to this pair. I love Hoochie Mama shorts, but sometimes I don't want to have my ass out. And you know, a nice modest short will do that for me, but this has absolutely no stretch in it. So I probably could have sized down and got this in a size 8 and it would have fit me perfect. And I paid $35.90 for these. I felt like it was a good deal, but unfortunately it didn't fit. So I'm thinking about keeping it and taking it to the tailor and getting my waist taken in, because I really love the shorts and they're not available in my size anymore on Zara, so definitely I'm gonna keep these. The next item that I bought to wear with this outfit was this super cute gold bag. What I love about it is the handle. I thought it was a really cute play on the Chloe necklace bag. and that is kind of what got my attraction, and it was obviously half the price. It's almost $50, $49.90, and I love the fact that the gold chain is so thick. It is not a cheap piece, and I feel like for summer this can be like a everyday bag, or even like a going out bag. And what I love about this bag is that the chain detaches, and so does the handle. It comes with this kind of clutch like top handle, and they both detach. So if you just want to wear it as a clutch and just hold it in your hand like so, it is perfect. And if you want to wear it as a crossbody, you have the option to do so. And in terms of what can fit, it is very spacious. It can hold all my essentials. It can hold my phone, wallet, keys, a tampon, my lip gloss, my lip liner, and I'm good to go. So this is definitely a must-have if you are thinking about what bag you want to get from Zara. Definitely the one that you need. Next item on our list are a pair of jeans. I actually got 2 jeans delivered with this haul, so I'm super excited for them. The first one was this Montauk blue 80s high-waisted denim, and I absolutely love these jeans. I had gotten it in 2 sizes because I wasn't really sure what size would fit, and the size 8 fit perfect. It hugged my butt so well, and it has so much stretch. So again, if I'm eating, I'm not going to be uncomfortable, and I absolutely love the fit and cut of these jeans. They're straight leg, skinny fit, and they're just something you need. They're $49.90. I believe they're on sale for $19.99, so definitely get them while you can. I got them also in the dark wash, and I believe that the dark wash is called Fierce Blue Ink. You can wear these jeans with a cute little slinky bodysuit, with a cute little slinky top. You can wear this with a cute little turtleneck in the winter. They're just like an everyday jean. And also I really love the lighter wash. The dark wash is pretty cool as well, as you saw, but the light wash is kind of what would do it for me in the summer. So I would style these jeans with a cute little like balloon sleeve bodysuit. I think for summer that would be super cute, and it would just be like, hey, I'm here. They're high-waisted, so they, you know what I'm saying, they hide all your problem areas and they cinch your waist. It's perfect. And it also can be worn with some of the bodysuits that I'm going to show you in the Zara haul. So the next item that I'm going to show you on my list is this nude racer back tank bodysuit. I absolutely love it. It comes in a nude, white, and black, and I opt to get it in the nude and the white, and I got it in a size medium, and it was $19.90. I absolutely love this tank because, again, the stretch is exactly what I need it to be. You know, like when you go to brunch and you're sitting there and you're eating your life away and then you're super full but your clothes are too tight? I love tops that have any type of stretch in it, because after I eat, I hate feeling restricted, and these tops with the stretch, I love eat as much as I want to and not have to worry about feeling uncomfortable after. And I also love that it's, again, double lined. And I would not recommend wearing a bra with this, and I say that because the shoulder and the sleeve on this is wide, and it gives you a lot of side cleavage, which is cute, and we love side boob. I'm all about the side boob, and we don't want to wear a bra with the side boob, because if you're anything like me and you grew up in a Caribbean household, your mom, your friends, and everyone's going to talk crap about you if they can see any part of your underwear. When we're presenting ourselves to the world, we want to put our best foot forward, so don't wear a bra. Just do me a favor and don't wear a bra if you decide to get this. 1 second, water break. I'm thirsty. So the next item on my list that I got was this Zara stretch knit pants. I got this in a size medium, and it was $29.90. I was really obsessed with these pants because of the hem. It is that super fashion forward split hem that looks really good when you're wearing heels, and it also looks really good when you have on like a cool trainer shoe. And one thing that I love about Zara are their leggings. They're so thick that they don't show your underwear, and I think a lot of companies need to take note, because as a female, our everyday, when we're not wanting to be glam and super dressed up, are typically leggings. So we don't want to show all our goodies. I mean, some of us might, and there's absolutely nothing wrong with that, but for the most part, you just want to walk around in peace. And I feel like when I have on like a very thick, secure legging, I just feel so good. They hug you in the right places. They make your butt look super plumpy. It's like, hello guys, I'm here, how are you doing? And that's what I love about these Zara leggings. They do it for me. They absolutely fit me so well, and they can be worn so many different ways that I can begin to describe. So for me, the way that I would probably wear it is with a cute little bodysuit, and I would do something that's a little bit more square neck, so it can give you like a nice little neckline and not only be sexy but a little bit chic as well. So I bought this Zara white bodysuit in a size medium, and I got it in both colors. And let me tell you, when I like something, I will get it in every color that it comes with, like every single color. I have so many multiples in my wardrobe, it's kind of ridiculous, but when it comes to basics, you can do no wrong. You can never have too many bodysuits. You can never have too many white bodysuits. You can never have too many nude bodysuits. You can never have too many black bodysuits, gray, whatever color. This is definitely something you can wear every day. What I love about this bodysuit is that it's double lined and you cannot see through it. So if you're that type of girl who likes to go braless and, you know, just let it all hang out, I'm here for it. Definitely do that, and you can feel comfortable doing it in that bodysuit without, you can free the nipple without having to worry about seeing the nipple. You get what I'm saying? And in terms of pricing, it was only $19.90, and I feel like for the amount of wash and wear that this bodysuit can handle, it's worth that price. The next piece that I'm going to show you is this oversized poplin shirt. I got it in a size small and it was $39.90. I absolutely love it. To be honest, when I saw this on the model, I was really excited because for summer, it's perfect for me for when I'm going to the beach or when I want to just do my everyday run around. I can wear it with a bodysuit underneath it. I can wear it with a pair of shorts. In the winter time, I can dress it up with some thigh-high boots and just keep it real sexy and cute. But I just feel like the size small swallowed me. I like things to be oversized, but I don't like them to be too big. I kind of wanted them to be like a fitted loose, if you get what I'm saying. And this did not do that for me. So I'm gonna actually return this item and get it in an extra small because I feel like I would like that fit a little bit better. I would not keep it in my size small. If you're gonna go ahead and get anything oversized from Zara or just in general, I would always size down. Rule of thumb, don't be like me. I'm here to make the mistakes for us. I forgot, I kind of overestimated how much weight I gained and how things were gonna fit me, but I could have really did with an extra small in this piece. I feel like it would have just fit me a little bit better, and it would have shaped my figure a little bit more and gave me the look that I was going for. Do you see this heel? I am obsessed. Let me tell you something about Perplex heels. So I have a love-hate relationship with anything that is made with acrylic or Perplex. In terms of heels, I am not a fan. And I say that because, like, I want y'all to keep it real in the comments too. Tell me if you have this issue. Anytime I buy a Perplex heel from any brand, I always end up returning it. And the reason why is because my foot always slides forward and it does not feel secure. If there's one thing I hate, is that when I'm walking in heels, my foot is everywhere. I like to walk around comfortably. Just plain and simple, I like to be comfortable. So what I love about this Zara pair of shoes is that this front toe part is tighter than this back piece. This, let me say that again for you guys who didn't get it. This toe part is tighter than this back piece. And I say that with absolute joy. I'm so excited about that because let me tell you, your toes will not move around in this front area. It is tight, it is right, and it is secure, honey, okay? Nothing beats your foot not sliding around in a Perplex shoe. Absolutely obsessed. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. I am obsessed. Next item on our list is this Nude Skirt. And it's silk. It's super cute. I felt like I needed this. I've seen a lot of people who've done Zara hauls buy it, and I knew I had to have it. It was $49.90 and I got it in a size medium, but I was able to get it on sale, and I got it on sale for $19.99. So if you don't agree with me on this being a bargain, I don't know what to tell you. For it to be $50 and for me to only get it for $20, listen, I wasn't gonna pay $50 for that skirt. So, and I wanted to have it, so I'm excited that I was able to get it on sale. It's super cute, super flowy. It's a good, like, let's go on a picnic, let's sit at the lake, let's go to the boardwalk. It's that kind of outfit. You can pair it with like a graphic t-shirt, you can pair it with a bodysuit, you can pair it with a blazer. It really depends on what your style is, but the way that I would wear this for this summer is with a cute pair of sandals, a nice bodysuit, and a cute little denim jacket. And I would go to the water, sit there with my little mimosa. I would go to the park, I'll sit there with my little liquor bottle full of tequila or whiskey, because I'm a whiskey girl. But you know, it's a cute, like, let's enjoy our day outfit. If you're wondering if you need it, you do. So thank me later. So the next item on our list are a pair of trouser pants. I am so excited about these pants because it is a piece that you can literally wear in so many different ways. Let me tell you, I got this in a size medium and it retails for $39.90, and I am so excited. I got it in 2 colors. Again, when I like something, I'm gonna get it in as many colors as I feel like I need it. Also got it in the tan camel color that's about the same color as my shirt. I'm really excited about this piece because honestly I can wear it so many different ways. I can dress it up, I can dress it down on the days that I just want to be super casual and throw on some sneakers and just go about my day. I can wear it that way, or I can really dress it up with some heels. It is like an everyday tailored fit pants, and I love the fit, but I will say it kind of runs a little bit small. I got it in a size medium, like I said, and let me tell you, it fit in my thigh leg area, but the waist was a little bit, it's high-waisted, so in the waist area it was a little tighter. But you know what, I feel like if I just go to the gym, sweat off a few pounds, I'll be good to go. So I'm not gonna return it, I'm not gonna exchange it, I'm gonna keep it in the medium because I like how the butt area fits, and that's what's most important to me. I can dress it up with like a cute little dainty flowy top, or I can dress it up with a t-shirt. I can also dress it up with a blazer. My thigh area was comfortable, so I'm gonna definitely keep these pants, and I'm gonna wear them very often. So yeah, actually I think that was the last thing that I had to show you guys. If you guys enjoyed this Zara haul, I'm so excited to have all of these cute new pieces in my wardrobe. I'll see you in the next one.